I am testing out the new GH4 Vlog. I will compare it with the standard setting, the Cinlike V setting, and the Cinlike D setting. And you'll see a bunch of tests done with some charts as well as some footage. I'm using the standard profile. I'm shooting this at f8 at a 13th a hundredth of a second. Now we're shooting Cinlike V outdoors. Cinlike D at a 1,000th of a second at f8. This is Vlog at 0 on the plus or minus. This is one stop on Vlog. This is Vlog with one stop. This is Vlog with two stops. These Vlog tests have been adjusted for exposure only. I have not used any pre-loaded LUTs. This is standard photo style, 13th of a second at f8 at ISO 200. This is Cinlike V with the same settings. Cinlike D with the same settings. Cinlike D. This is Cinlike D. Vlog at 0, 3200th of a second. Vlog at +1, 16th hundredth of a second. Vlog 1,000th of a second +2. +2 gives you the least amount of noise in the dark areas. This is the X-Rite color checker shot at 4K with a standard color profile, and the exposure in the zebras and histogram should be where the exposure should be, and there's also 0 plus or minus on the exposure index. Now I'm shooting with Cinlike V. This is Cinlike V. This is Cinlike D. The color profile Cinlike D. And this is the exposure for Vlog. Now if I'm to put it down to 0, this is exposure level 0. Standard with the color chart. Standard with the color chart. Cinlike V with the color chart. Cinlike V. Cinlike D with the color chart. Log profile with the color chart. This is F28, which is 2 stops according to the meter at the bottom. This is F4, which is 1 stop. +2. +1. +1. Shooting plus long with Vlog. ISO 400. 400th of a second. Doing this without filters. +2. This is +2. 2/50th of a second at f8. +2. +1 with Vlog. +2 with Vlog. Cinlike D. I'm shooting with Cinlike D to give you a comparison at 3/20th of a second at f8. Cinlike D. Always turn to Frugal Filmmakers for more information, news, and reviews about these exciting products.